Hello everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir.
Very
Good
good
afternoon,
morning,
sir.
Jia. Good morning, Dhruvansh. Very good morning, Mishita. Very good morning, Vedant. All early morning people, all are there. And where are people from India yet? Okay, Kanak, very good evening. First of all, happy Pongal, happy Lohri, happy Makar Sankranti. All of you going to enjoy. I think Kanak would already done, right, Kanak? It's evening for her.
Sorry.
I'm saying, did you celebrate Makar Sankranti or Lohri or Pongal? What other names? Please, I don't know. Ugadi also, right? I don't know. Three names are there, different. Or it's kind of New Year, right? So tell me, guys, we'll start in 2 minutes. Till that, tell me, what's the plan? Who is going to celebrate and how? Mishita, Jia, do you do kite flying? Any one
Um,
of you do kite flying? Huh, Jia?
okay, what my plan is that I am going to go to my friend's house. First,
Okay.
I'm gonna go to the temple and then I'm gonna go to my friend's house. We don't do flights here, like kites here, so nothing like that. But I'm gonna go to the temple and then go to my friend's house.
Very nice. Super.
And then my
Good.
cousins are coming over in the evening.
Good. So it's a fun filled day. Nice. What about others? Ruvansh, Vidar, Nishita, any plans?
It's too windy to fly kites.
It's too windy to fly kite. Hmm. Too windy. And I feel, uh, so, but when it happens, kite flying there and there, Nishita,
Sorry?
kite flying happens in London or not?
I don't know.
No.
I think so. During autumn. Yeah.
Okay.
But it's too windy right now.
What about Australia, Kanak? Any kite flying happens in Australia or not?
Not really.
Not really. In Canada, Ruvansh, Vedant?
Some
Sir,
places, not all of them.
Okay. Because when I see in Jaipur, see when I was in Bangalore, it was not so much. But yesterday I was just going around. Here everywhere you will see a lot of kites. People are selling kites. Lot of kites in sky. So here in North India, it's too much. Like I'm really enjoying this. Even I'm going to fly kite tomorrow morning. Good. So happy New Year, Indian New Year. So let's start from today. Last time we started with sectors and all. Yes, a small homework I'll send you next maybe after this week. It's not much of factorization, but today we are going to start a very important, and I feel it's my personal opinion, the most important topic everyone should know. Not only for school, not only for competitive exam, but your day-to-day life also. It's the arithmetic, one of the very interesting and very easy topic. But believe me, I have thousands of students who feel that this is difficult. Can you guess the topic name? Can you guess the topic name? Very, very important for daily life, very important for competitive exam, in schools also. It's very easy, but a lot of people complain, sir, it's difficult. Can you guess? It's an arithmetic topic. Guess, any guess? Okay, guess, it's a guess.
addition,
Addition. What else? Yeah,
division.
what's your guess?
Division and
Division, okay.
multiplication.
No, no. Those are basic operations. Kanak, what's your best guess?
Um, Square root.
Square root, we done last time. Vedant? No guesses, guys, yet? No? Vedant? No idea? Okay, let me tell you. The topic is this. I'll write it here, and I want to see how many of you know it very clearly. And we are going to start with easy, and we are going to make it very, very difficult type of questions also. But first, we start with easy. Okay? Where's Kanak gone? Kanak, you're there? So the topic name is this. Percentage. How many of you know percentage very clearly? What is percentage? Dhruvaj.
So what is like I don't know it exactly very clearly. I know it like
Okay, what is percentage? Jia.
I don't know clearly, but I know it's percentages is like something when, let's say in a test or something, you get this much percentages, like 90 percentages, 60%.
I know that is one of the application. Yes. What is percentage, Mishita? Yes, the one will come to you.
So par is by, and then cent is 100. So by
Okay.
100.
Okay, Vedant. Before I come to Dhruvaj, Mishita was smart. Okay. Yes, Vedant. Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
very easy topic and very important topic for all of you. Yes, Vedant.
so it's basically out of 100%.
Okay.
So like,
And Dhruvansh, what do you think? You were saying you want to say.
Sir, I was just saying that it's something out of 100.
Because the word percent is about this. Percent. That's it. There's no big deal about it. There's percent. Percent. Per 100. Out of 100. That is what a percentage, right? Like one of you was saying, when you get marks in exam, this much percentage. Who was saying? Gia was saying, right? You are right. So when we say Gia got 80% marks, means what? 80 out of 100. When we say Mishita wakes up 99% of time very early, means what? 99 times of 100. When we say Kanak always tells truth, 100% truth, means what? 100 out of 100. What is percentage means? Percent. But I know one more thing I'll tell you, which you will be surprised. But many students, I'll not say students, many people in the world, though they are like done math so much, engineering, post-engineering, post-graduation. If I have a basic question, they start ignoring it, isn't it? I'll ask you also. So 88% means 80 or 100, 98% means 90 or 100, 100%, 100 or 100. If I say 5% means 5 or 100, right? 5 or 100, yes or no? So then tell me, Nishita or Dia or Duvant or Vedant or Kanak or anyone, if I say 200%, does it make sense? What 200% means? If 5% is 5 or 100, 20% 20 or 100, what is 200% means? And you know what?
By 100.
Yes, right. But many people, struggles. This is sir 200, how it's possible? Tell me why it's not possible. Did in definition I said or ever written that number has to be lesser than 100? No, right? Percent per 100. 5% 5 on 100, 20% 20 on 100, 200% 200 on 100. Or 200 over 100, right? With us, Kanak. So 200% is 200 over 100. You cancel out. So tomorrow Dhruvan says, sir, then 3000% also exists. Definitely 3000% means 3000 over 100. Right, Dhruvan, or not?
Yes.
But believe me, if you ask 50% of people, they will struggle. They will say, no, sir, this is something wrong. Right, Jia? Lot of people feel like this. Is everyone clear? Can I ask for this basic interesting question now? 5%, 20%, 40%, 100%, 200%, 3000%. I want to see how many you can answer this one. If all this is true, then how much is half percent means? Tell me, guys. Yes, Dhruvan?
0.5%.
Means what? The number. Forget the percentage sign now. So,
50
sorry,
out of 100,
how much?
50.
50. Dhruvan? Jia?
If it's out of 100, then it's 50.
It's 50. Yes, Mishita?
Are you saying like the number half as a percentage?
See, 1%, 2%, half percent.
Oh, then 5 by 1,000.
So guys, some of you are saying correctly, but not very confidently. See, 5% is 5 over 100. Then why half percent is not half over 100? Tell me. Why it has to be 50? Tell me, guys. That is a common mistake in concept. That is it or not? It means 1 over, sorry, not 50. Correct? Half percent, half over 100. It means 1 over 200. Where is the problem? But see, all of you have done something wrong. Yes, Nishita almost there. She said 5 over 1000. That's correct. But how? Tell me, Vidhuas, tell me Kanak, tell me Vedant. Just because I change the number, will concept change here? Concept was 5% means 5 over 100. 200% means 2 over 100. 200 over 100. So if I say half percent or 1/2%, why it will be 1/2 over 100? It should be same, right? Tomorrow, if I say 0.003%, you say, sir, don't worry anything, just say by 100. Yes or no? Concept of percent is by 100 only or not? Tomorrow somebody says, sir, 250%. That's it. 2 by 5 over 100. So tell me why this looks difficult. Concept is same. Tell me. But believe me, 50% of people struggle in this. That's why make a simple concept. Percentage means by 100. Whatever. Tomorrow if I say X%, it means X over 100. Right here? If I say X%, X over 100. If I say 2Y, 2Y over 100. Now tell me, how many of you are clear 100% now? What is percent? I'll ask you 5 questions. All of you write on the chat. I want to see how many you can do it correct. Agree? I'll give you only 10 seconds per question. 10 seconds per question. You write only the answers, okay? Don't simplify it. What I mean is, if I say 10%, just write 10 by 100. Don't try to simplify 1 by 10.1. Don't do all this. I'm only looking for the concept. Cool? Let's start. 5 questions. Let's see. All of you do very fast. Can do fast on them. Tell me, 37% means what? First. Yes, Vedant, Dhruvan, Kanak, Dia, Nishita, Kanak. Good. 37% means that. What do you mean by 1/3%? Yes. 1 by 3% means 1 by 3 over 100 or 1 by 300. Correct? Right? When you simplify this, if I say 4000% means what? 4000% means what? Keep writing this. I'm looking at it. 4000% means 4000 by 100. 40. I'm just trying to instill a concept in you. Okay, guys, that's what my objective. If I say 2p%, what is meaning of 2p%? Yes. You just said 2p over 100. Nothing you have to think about. The moment I say the question, say by 100. You know, that's the logic, right? Nothing you have to worry about. The moment I say the question, you just say by 100. If I say 5 ABC% means what? You will just say 5 ABC over 100. Cool. Now I want the next question is simplify and tell me. Simplify and tell me. 500% means what? Simplify and give me proper number. Mishra says 5. Duan says 1. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 500% means 5. Next question. Give me answer either integer or decimal or fraction. But give me the answer. What about 1/4% means? 1/4 means 0.25, Nishita. 1/4%.
I meant to write the 0.
We should write 0.25 is not correct, guys. No, Vedant. Dhruvash, you are correct. Either you will say 1 over 400, or you will say 0.25 is there. Put two more zeros. Yes, Nishita, that's it. Zia, getting it? If I say 7,500% means what? Dhruvaj, Nishita, Vidam, Zia, cool, all of you cool, correct? No, all of you are cool because it means 75. So everybody clear the concept number one? The percent means over 100, whatever it is. Concept number two. If the number is given and you have to convert into percentage, rule number two. There are only two concepts. First concept you learn. No second concept. There are only two concepts and one golden rule, nothing else. If you have to convert, for example, Zia got 80 marks out of 100. How much percentage she got? 80%. How? The magic is whatever I say, you will say, sir, into. That is the magic of converting any number in the world into percentage. I said, Zia got 80 out of 100. You will say, sir, 80%. Tomorrow, if I say Kanak got 4 out of 5, how much percentage? You say, sir, I'll multiply by 100, 80%. Tomorrow, Mishita says, sir, I got 19 out of 20. Please find the percentage. What will you say? Nothing to worry. Just whatever I say times 100. You multiply 95%. What does the second concept means? Any number in the world, if you want to convert into percentage, yeah, just multiply by 100. Cool. If somebody says, Rakesh got 1 out of 2, myself, I got 1 out of 2, how much percentage? 50%. Agree or not? So what I'm doing, Nishita, in all these questions? What is the basic thing I'm doing in all the questions, Nishita?
Sorry?
All these questions, what I'm doing?
You're multiplying by
I'm
100.
multiplying by just 100. Correct, everybody? Are you clear? Can I ask the question now? See the point. Even we know the concept, application becomes sometimes inconvenient. And you will see that. So all of you, so let's see. If I say we got 2 out of 5, how much percentage it is? Gia. We got 2 out of 5. How much percentage it is? You will say, sir, 2 out of 5 times 100, 40%. Right, Gia?
Yes.
Tell me, Kanak, if you got 1 out of 10, how much percent it is?
10%.
10%. Because Kanak will say, sir, just multiply with 10 and give me 10%. If Dhruvansh, if I say Dhruvansh sleep late 1/3 of the time, how much percentage he sleeps late? What you will do? You will do this out of Dhruvansh. Correct, everybody? Any question? Before I ask my question, yes, Zia.
So for this thing, if we do, so we have to do like 2 divided by 5 times 100, or do we do 2 times 100?
It's like this. So when you say 2 by 5, whatever the number is there, times 100. So how to simplify is basic fraction. You cut this 5 with 20, 20 times 2, 40. Or you don't want to cut, you multiply 2 times 100, 200 by 5. But this is a bad way because that will become big number. So 40. It's a basic fraction thing, okay? Yeah.
Okay,
2
yeah.
by 5, 4 times 100. Any other question? Because now I'm going to ask. So that is the concept, guys. Then if I say 3 means how much percentage? So you say, sir, what? A lot of people ask for what? What is this question? If I say 3 means how much percentage? Yes, tell me, Mishita.
300%.
300. She was not confident, but she did it at least. But everybody else was confused. See the point? You are right, Mishita. But you know why our mind stops us? Sorry, how come 3 can be converted, right? Right, Mishita? If I would have said 1 out of 3, 2 out of 3, whatever. The moment I just said 3, why? Answer to this is why not? 3 means 3 by 1 or not? So percentage means what? I'm centered. So you are absolutely right. But you know, our mind stops it. And that is why a lot of people get confused. But Vishita, very well done. 3 means 300%. So tell me, Dhruvansh, stop playing with your pen. Tell me what is 50 means. 50 means how much percentage?
Okay, so it will be 5,000.
That's it. Correct, guys. It is not difficult, but the mind should be tuned. Tell me, Jia, what do you mean by 200? How much percentage is 200? Jia.
20,000.
Because he will say, sir, 200 I'll write and then multiply by 100, 20,000.
Mhm.
Similarly, Vedant, if I say 0.4 means how much percentage? What will Vedant do?
I have to multiply it by 100,
You
so
will
it's
multiply with 100. So answer is
40%.
right. Similarly, if I ask Kanak, see guys, it's all in mind. You know, it's not difficult, but a lot of people get confused because tell me, Kanak, whether 0.05 means how much percentage, Kanak?
5%.
5%. See, all of you are very good now. 5%. So tell me now, these two rules are simple or not, Jia? There are 2 rules. If percentage is given means 500. 5%, 500, 7%, 700. If number is given and you want to cover and do percentage, just multiply by 100. That's it. That's it. There's no other rule. Ask me. I have to take time to think it up. Think it up. I'm going to ask you 5 questions. Let's see how many we can do it. Cool. So tell me, somebody got 11 out of 20. How much percentage? Tell me on chat. Somebody got 11 out of 20. Is equal to how much percentage? Kanak says, Vedant says.
110.
No. You are right, Vedant, Kanak. And who said before Kanak? Mishita, correct. Dhruvansh, correct. Jia? Correct. Jia, you should understood how to do it, or shall I tell you how to multiply and divide? That
I'm
if you're not
confused.
comfortable. I'll tell you the explanation. It's very easy. 11 by 20, correct?
Yes.
Times 100. So you know the concept. It's only about how to solve it. What should you do, Jia? First you cancel 0 with 0. Correct?
Yes.
How you cancel 2 and 10? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is 11 times 5? 55. You also
55.
got 55, right?
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's a basic fraction thing. Good. So
So
don't hesitate, Jia. Ask me as many question, okay?
what I'm getting confused in was that I did 11 times 100, which was 1,000 and like
That
1,000.
is also correct. That is also correct. But it will take a long time to do. That's why I say don't see. I always tell all my students first divide, then multiply. Otherwise, number becomes so big. And Jia, I'll give one example because a lot of people do that. Okay, not for this question, Jia, but guys, this is for everyone. A lot of people do this mistake. Suppose I ask someone 18 times 11 divided by 9. So there are 2 ways to solve. One way is multiply 18 into 11. You get how much? 18 and 1, 9 and 8. And then to 11. Correct? One method is that or not?
Yes.
And then you get some answer. Another method is, no, sir, I am smart. I am going to do 18 divided by 9 is 2, 11, 22, which is fast.
Okay.
But believe me, Jia, so many students in the world, they don't apply their smartness. They will do very conventional tests. They will say, oh, sir, first I will multiply this, get a big number. Then I will do a lot of hard divide, unnecessary.
Okay,
Lot
so
will do.
first to the step,
Rule,
like the step
make it
would
simple
be
first. Rule is make it small numbers. How we make a
adding
small number? 18 and 9. 18 divided by 9 is 2. And then 2 times 11, which is 4 easy. So the
Okay,
rule
so
of
first
concept,
divide.
make it small. First divide then.
Okay, so if we're finding the percentages, then we would divide first and then
Exactly.
multiply.
If I say 45 by 50, no, here also I'll not multiply that first. I'll divide 50 and 100 with 2, correct?
Mhm.
So 90. See? It is not about percentage, it is for any maths. You should always divide first to make it small and then multiply. But a lot of
Okay.
people do first multiply, make it a very big number, and then struggle to divide them. Correct?
Okay, yes.
Got everybody? I'll give one more example. This is what people I have seen. If I say 33 times, say 45 by 11, you multiply 33, 40, a big number, right? And then divide by 11, 2 big. I say 33 by 11, 3, 3 into 45, 43, 135. Done. Right or not? Understood the point what I'm saying, Mishita? How to make math fast and simple? First, make it small numbers. So, if I have your place, I will first divide this to make it 3. Then 3 times 45. Got it? Any math, not about percentage. Cool. Let's get back to percentage. I want everyone to tell me somebody got 8 out of, somebody got 9 out of 15. How much percentage is this? Tell me. Okay, Mishita, Vedant, Dhruvan, so fast. What guys? You're using calculator in your hand or mind? First, what we'll do here is, yeah, we'll multiply with 100. So first I'll cancel. 3 3 is 9, 3 5 is 15, right? Cancel 5 and 100 with 520. 20 times 3 is 60.
I got the same answer. So what I did was I did 9 divided by 15, which was 0.6, and I did 0.6 times 100.
That is also correct. That is also correct. Yes.
Okay.
Got everybody? How to convert? Let's do some more questions before we go to the concept of percentage. If I say 650 is how much percentage? $650 is how much percentage? Kanak good. Vishita good. Suans very good. Vedant, Jia, your answer please. 650 is how much percentage? Now, you are converting number into percentage, Vedant. Only 2 rules. Either divide by 100 or multiply by 100. Which one you use here? There are only 2
Divide.
rules. Either divide by 100 or multiply by 100. What are you going
Divide.
to use it here? Why divide? You are converting number into percentage. Not percentage into number, right?
Yeah.
You forgot 2 rules. Vedant, there are 2 rules. What is rule number 1? If percentage is given, if percentage is given, right? So you don't divide by 100, correct?
Yeah.
Second
when
time,
it's
if number is
number,
given.
you
So
have to multiply.
there's only 2 rules, nothing else. So in the question, what was given?
650.
It's a number or a percentage.
It's a number.
So you use rule number 2, right?
Yeah. Times
Because we are
100.
going to exactly. So guys, 2 rules. Percentage is given, divide by 100. Percentage need to be find out, multiply. Okay. Again, I want to ask you more question. intermixed so that you get confused. Okay. Tell me quickly what is 20 means. How much percentage is 20? Vedant.
20 times 100. So
that
it's
is
2000.
correct. Tell me, Mishita, 3 out of 5 means how much percentage?
60%.
So fast. 3 out of 5 times 100. Tell me, Jia, 8,000 percentage means what? Unmute.
80,000.
No. 8,000 percentage. See, I said I will mix the question. Percentage is given, right?
Oh, okay.
I said I'll mix it up. Right?
So that would be 80.
That's it. Then I am again practicing because I want you to understand both the things. This question percentage is given. In these two questions, percentage need to find out. Different, right? Dhruvansh, tell me 0.002% means what? I'm going to confuse you guys in terms of
2.
challenge.
2.
2, how?
So you multiplied by
It cannot
100.
be. No, guys, you are getting guys. See,
You have
Vishita,
to divide since it's
you have to divide. Vishita,
0.00002.
see, I told you I'll confuse you because I'll mix two type of questions. Guys, do you understand two rules? When you to divide, when you to multiply? Vedant is clear, Mishita is clear. Can I get you clear? Good. Dhruvansh, Jia, now you are clear? When you have to multiply, when you divide. Okay, let's try 3 more questions, okay? Because I want to make sure you understand. 50 means how much percentage? You will divide or multiply? Tell me fast.
multiply.
Multiply. Divide. Tell me both. Multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Everyone should say same. Jia? Multiply or divide?
Multiply.
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 50 times 100. 5,000%. If I say 2 over 10 is how much percentage? You multiply or divide?
Multiply.
Multiply because percentage needs to find out. If I say 40%, you multiply or divide?
Divide.
Divide. Correct? 40 by 100, 4 by 10, 0.4. If I say 1 by 3%, you multiply or divide?
Divide.
Divide.
See? Your
Divide.
mind will see, your mind will be crystal clear, guys. What number you get? What I will understand the difference between this two and this two. I have done enough effort to do all this. Okay? Shall we move ahead now? So now how to use this concept? First time question you get is simple question. How much is 30% of 60? 30% means what, guys? 30 by 100. Of means times and 60. Do the maths, your normal maths. Get it. Because you already learned 30% means what? Now of 60, multiply by 60. Cool.
Yes.
If I ask everybody, what is 20% of 400? Tell me, Priya.
I know the steps, so you would do wait, sorry.
Tell me,
20 divided by 1. 20 divided by 1
Why
and
1?
then no,
20%.
20 divided by 100. 20 divided by 100 times 400 and then 80.
Because this 20 will cancel 20, 20 times 4 is 80. That's it.
Yes. Yes.
Right? Tell me, Mishita, 80%. Guys, I'm going to make it difficult slowly. You will not believe how difficult it will become.
64.
How? 80 by 100
So
times 80. Correct? which is nothing but 64. Dhruvansh, 30% of 40 is how much?
So 6, wait, 24.
Dhruvansh, what happened to you? You always are there fast. What happened? What is 30% means?
30
So
over
is it
100.
16.
Of 40. Do your calculation. That's it.
Wait, isn't it 16?
Why 16?
Sorry, it's 30. I did 40 divided by
40 is
100.
16. Correct. 40% is 16. Right, Dhruvansh? Kanak. 50% of 500 is how much?
250.
Wow. See, Kanak is good. Correct. Zia, Dhruvansh, Vedant, cool.
yes.
Shall I ask more difficult question? But before I ask more difficult question, I'll give you one trick. My speed trick. Okay. Just try to grasp. You will really love that. Slowly to practice. Try to find 10% of anything. Say 10% of 400. You know what, guys? If you find 10%, just remove 1 0. Answer is, if tomorrow if I say 10% of something, 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 answer is, if tomorrow I say 10% of 2, 3, answer is, so if you are doing 10%, you are removing 0, dividing by just 10. Tomorrow if I say 10% of 45, there is no 0, you put a decimal 1 before. Tomorrow if I say 10% of, see how I am increasing the level. If I say 10% of 24.5, it's a 2.45. Do you know what I'm doing? I'm just dividing by 10. Every question, right, Vishita? I'm just dividing by 10 or shifting the decimal to the left. Can I ask you a quick question orally? Everybody can answer in 3 seconds. We'll try first. Vishita, what is 10% of 400?
40.
Good. Kanak, what is 10% of 60?
Sorry?
10% of 60, 60.
6.
6. Remove 1 0, that's it. Dhruvaj, what is Dhruvaj unmute?
Yes.
What is 10% of 500?
50.
Good. Remove 1 0. Where is Jia left? What Jia? Jia chance was coming and Jia gone. Why Jia like this?
No, sorry,
Jia was smart.
it's my internet.
I know. I'm just pulling your leg. So Jia unmute. What is 10% of 200?
20%?
20. No percent. Just 20.
20,
Where is the
20,
percentage? Correct this. So what we are doing? We are removing 1 0, right? Where is Vedant? Vedant is there?
Yeah.
Vedant, what is 10% of 8,000?
8,800.
See the trick, guys? Why I tell you this trick? Because that will be useful so much. So, Nishita, if I say 20% of 300, what is 10% of 300?
30.
So 20% is double of it, 50, right?
Yeah.
If I know 10%, I can do all 20, 30, 40, 50, 5 something per one. 10% is 30, 20% is double of it. Dhruvan, 20% of 4,000. What is 10% of 4,000?
800.
10% is 400 to 20%, is it? 800.
Yeah.
See, it's a magic order. The way you do it, right? Mishita, Dhruvan, Jia. What is 20% of 200? Jia?
20%?
So 10% of 200 is? What is 10% of this? 10% is 20.
Yes.
So 20% will be double.
Oh, right, because you double it
Right.
up, right? Sorry.
That's it. Correct. 20% of 30, 30.
6.
6. So what I'm trying to say is, if you know 10%, 10% just remove the zero. 20%, 30%, 40%, double, triple, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 times. Like Mishita will do one thing. Mishita will do on her own 30% of 200. Mishita, tell the method, not the answer.
Oh, so first 10% of
Is
220, so then you multiply.
30%. It's 3 times. Yes. Got everybody? Let's Dhruvansh tell one. Dhruvansh, explain to everybody if you find 40% of 2000. What's the method, Dhruvansh?
Okay, so first you divide 2000 by 10, so you get
So 200. Then,
and then 200 multiplied by 4, which is 800.
wow. See guys, Jia, this is how it works, the speed percentage. Percentage, it's very easy. We have to apply our brain to do it fast. Otherwise, everybody can do. We have to do very, very fast. Next set of question now. 10% of 10% of 500. Who can tell me? Orally without pen. Yes, Mujita.
5.
Wow, explain how. You're right.
Sorry.
Explain.
So first you the question is saying 10% of the 10%, so you first find 10% of 500,
Which is
50, and then you find 10% of 50, which is 5.
so tell me how much time you took? 3 seconds, right? See, just solve this question in 3 seconds already, guys. Okay? Tell Kanak 10% of 10% of 2000.
20.
Superb. See, guys, Ruaj, 10% of 10% of 300.
3.
3. See, all you're loving. Jia, 10% of 10% of 600.
6.
6. So percentage is easy or difficult? Tell me now. So I want everyone to do this question on the notebook. 10% of 10% of 10% of 5,000 miles. What's the answer? Tell me.
5.
Tell me everyone in chat. Write Vedant. Write Kanak. Ruan, write the units. The way Vedant. 5 miles. Yeah, write the units. Miles is the question. Answer is 5 miles. Okay. So now everybody ready for challenge. This is all the basics. Ready for the challenge. 20% of 20% of 20. Tell me. It's not easy. Try. Try. Do the notebook and tell me the answer on chat. It's not easy, but try. Okay, Nishita. Okay, Kanak. Okay, Vedant. Okay, Dhruvansh. Some answers are different for others, but it's fine. So how will solve it? First of all, tell me, Mishita, what is 20% of 20?
4.
4, right? Correct? Everybody agree? So my question becomes what? 20% of 4. Everybody agree or not? Because Mishita said this is 4, which everybody will agree. What is 20% of 4 guys?
0.8.
That's it. So a lot of you are correct. Some of you are a little mistake which I understand. Because 10% is 0.4, 20% is 0.87. Right, Jia? Everyone agree? Let's try. 10% of 20% of 30%. Sorry, I'm making it more difficult, okay? Try. Let's see who does it correct. Vedant, cool? Good. Then you learn percentage increase and decrease. And no need to do in order 30, 20, 10. You can do first 10, then 20, 30. Your choice always.
So can we like divide it like meaning like 10 like do the 10% of six
Yes,
6,000
yes.
first?
Yes, you can. You should. So Mishita, Dhruva, Vedant all have same answer, okay? Okay. Keep writing answer. Okay, Kanak. Keep writing answers, guys. We'll do step by step. So Jia, just tell me one thing. This is a big question. Just tell me what is 10% of 6,000?
600.
So now my question will become like this or not? Everybody agree? So now my question will become this or not? Right, Jia? Tell me, Kanak, what is 20% of 600? So what is 10% of 600, Kanak?
Sorry,
What is 10% of 600?
60,
10%, 60. So then what is 20%?
120,
Wow. So my question becomes this or not, guys, now. Right? So now tell me, Vedant, if first step is done, second, what is 30% 120? What is 10% of 120?
And it's 12.
So what is 30%? 3 times of that.
Yeah, so 36.
That's it. Got everybody the idea? Lot of you done it correctly. Method is do one by one, it is more profitable here. First we did 10%, then we did 20%, then we did 30%. So that's why I said rule, verified rule is very interesting. 10% is remove 1 zero. Any question, anyone? Now we are going to do most important rule. Everybody should write first. Golden rule. You will get this kind of questions a lot. What is golden rule? Golden rule is to find out, you know what? This rule is useful for percentage change, percentage increase, percentage decrease. This rule is for percentage error. Everywhere you use this. Percentage profit, everywhere you use the same rule. Percentage loss, percentage discount, or percentage any. All these are done on one golden rule. That is my way of doing. Okay. So everybody should write down. Percentage of this will always be equal to new value minus old value divided by base value or original value. And because you want percentage, right? Because you want percentage nuance, you have to always multiply 100. You know that, right? We'll all. So that is the golden rule everybody should write. If to find out percentage, this. Just do new minus L by original. Yes, Nikita. And I'm going to give a lot of examples.
Base value is just the
Original value from where you are taking. Yes. So the original or the base. So let's see one example first. Then next example, because this is the most important concept of your percentage. For example, the question is like this. I'll write a question now. If say 500 is increased to 600, what is percentage change? So we'll find out percentage change. Is it increase or decrease, guys? Increase, right? Percentage increase. What is the original? What is the new value, guys? 600. What is the old value? 500. What is the original value? The value from where it was changed. The base value. What is the base here?
500.
500. And finally, when you do all of this, 600 minus 500 is 100 by 500. I'm going to do a lot of questions like this into 100. Solve this, 2 zeros and 2 zeros gone, 5 is 100. You will say, sir, the answer is 20% increase. That is the answer, 20% increase. No need to note down this because I'm going to give a lot of questions, but the idea is what? New value minus old value divided by the base, the original value. You can find out all of this. Okay, I'll erase this, I'll do the new sheet. Suppose if I say 500 is changed to 400, how much is percentage change? Tell me, Jia, how will you approach? Is it decrease or increase, Jia?
Decrease.
We'll say percentage decrease equal to. What is the new value?
400.
What is the old value?
500.
What is the base, original value? Original value is value from where the change happened. What was the original initial value?
500.
500.
Correct? Right here? 500
Yes.
is changed to 400. So, and times
Oh.
100. That's the rule. So now, what is 400 minus 500? 100, negative 100 or 100?
100.
Negative terms because decrease. So we'll forget the negative for a moment. 100 by 500 times 100.
100.
Just solve this.
Okay.
20% decrease. The concept is what? New minus old by base. New minus old by base. That's it. Right, Mishita? That is how it works. So, Mishita, let's do one question and explain to everybody, okay? So, Mishita will explain one question. Some student wrote 500 as 450 by mistake. How much is percentage error? What the concept you going to use it? Mishita, explain to all of us.
So the percentage error is 10%.
How?
Yeah. So the
New value is 450.
The new value is 450, and then you subtract 500, and then
What
you
is the
divide
base?
by 500.
Why 500 is the base, Mishita? Because
It was the old number.
it was the original or the correct value, correct?
Yeah.
Error is always against the correct value, correct. Now when you solve it, 450 minus 500 is 50, 50 divided by 500, and finally times 100, which is 10%. Good. Cool, Kanak, Vedant, Dhruvan, Priya. This is how percentage error increase decrease works. If Jia will do next, Jia bought a book for rupees 100 and sold it for rupees 140. How much? Okay, I'll make it different numbers. This is so easy. I'll make it 50, okay? And she sold for 60. How much is percentage profit or percentage more? How you do it? Yeah.
Okay.
What is the new
So
value?
here, The original no, the new value would be 60 and the old value would be 50. And then the original value would be 50
Times 100. So what is 60 minus 50?
So 60 minus 50 is 10.
No, we'll
10,
just simplify. 0 and 0
and then-
gone.
and then
5 and this gone.
so 20%.
20% profit. Too easy. See, I'm trying to use only one concept for all the courses, right, Jia? Kanak?
Also, would this be profit and increase because increased by
Yes.
10?
Profit is increase always, yes. So 20% profit. Right? I want everyone to do one question. A book price is reduced from how much is percentage reduction? Can you try, everybody, please? Very easy question. Very good, Mishita. So fast. Looks like Mishita is expert in percentage. Is it?
Sorry?
Looks like you are expert in percentage. I am saying you are expert in percentage.
Oh,
So Mishita got this much, Dhruva's got this much, okay. Kanak, how will we solve it? Percentage reduction or percentage decrease equal to? Kanak,
Sorry.
how shall we approach this?
So for first, the new price is 320. So 320 minus 400.
And the base will be?
400.
Correct, because that was the original price. Times?
100.
Correct, guys? So 320 minus 400 is? Negative 80 or just 80 because we are doing any reduction? No, we'll solve it. 2 zeros gone. 4 with 20. So you can say 20% reduction or 20% decrease, right, Kanak? Good. Anybody, any question on this? A book price reduced from 420, how much is percentage reduction? No, I'll ask you a challenge question, okay? Everybody agree? Ready? The challenge question is this. Dhruvaj, pocket money is first increased, it's very interesting, by 20%. And then it's decreased by 20%. What is net change? Means like there's no change or some increase or some decrease, some loss, profit, what happened? Yes, Dhruvaj.
No change.
No change. Okay. Let everyone try. Is it no change, Mishita? Jia, no change? Because I will say, what, sir? You increase and decrease. So what's the big deal? Correct or not? But guys, there is a case why will I ask that question? No, that's the problem. I'll tell you, percentage doesn't work like this. So think like that, okay? So guys, that's why I'm asking this question. That is what percentage is about. Let's think. Let's say original pocket money was 100. We can assume. Okay. So if 20% increase, So how much of money, how much pocket will become now? Suraj,
120.
correct? Because 20 per 100 is 20, so it become 100 plus 20, 120. Everybody agrees. The pocket money become now, why? 120 become 100 original plus 20 increase. 20% of 100 is 20. Everybody agree? Now 20% decrease. What is 20% of 120, guys? You all learned this. What is 20% of 120, Dhruvan?
6.
20% of 20, 120. You forgot the 10%,
24.
24.
24.
So his pocket money becomes what now? 120 was there, 20% decrease. So now his pocket money is
96.
what happened? Increase or decrease? Original was how much?
So decrease.
100. Zero. Revised become 96. So tell me why. So that's the magic. Tell me, Vishita, tell me, Diya, Kanak, Kurwan, why it become 96? We thought initially, sir, 25 degree, 25 decrease. Why? Who will tell me? Do you tell me?
Okay, so over here, like the first increase was 120, and then the total amount became 120. So then we decreased 20% from the 120 and
Because you are right, because the base, first time the base is 100, 25 of 100. Next time the base is 120, correct? The percentage about this. Understood? Pocket money become 96 now. So what is the percentage change happen? 96 minus 100 over 100. You say
4%.
4% decrease. That's the logic. So tell me how many you understood, how many you understood this. See, the rule I applied here is a golden rule, right, Jia? Original was 100, new is 96. This is the classic example of percentage change. Ask me any question, Vedant, Kanak, Nishita. Cool. Shall we do next one? Next one, Mishita will do, okay? Mishita, what do you love most?
Sorry.
What did you love most? Mishita's what? What? Chocolate, ice cream, dolls, toys, books, what?
I
Tell
don't.
me.
No.
Mishita's books. Okay. His first decreased by 20% and then increased by 40%. Tell me, guys, what is that change? No change, increase or decrease? Try everybody.
There's no change.
Did you see last question, Mishita? In last
Oh.
question, there was no change, was zero? No. You have to solve it, guys. In the last question also, we thought it was no change, but change happened, right? Yes, Mishita, or no? In the last question was 4% increase, right? What happened now, guys? Try. So again, what we will do?
16%.
Okay, let's see. Mishita's books is first increased by 2. What you should want, what you should do is you assume original books. Say 100. Okay, Mishita? 20% decrease. So what is 20% of 100?
80.
So after decrease, become 80 or not, Mishita? Now, After 20% increase. What is 20% of 80, guys?
16.
16. So it become how much? 80 was there, 20% increase. How much become?
96.
So new books are 96. What happened, Mishita, again? Original was 100 and now you have only 96. So again it decreased or increased finally?
It decreased.
It decreased by again 4%. So why does it happen, Nishita? Why we thought no change, but it's decreased? Who can answer this? Dhruvansh?
So it's the same reason as the last one.
Same reason, because first when you're finding 20% decrease, our base is 100, right? But when we find 20% increase, base becomes only 80. So in the percentage, the base, the original math is important. The base is important. Cool, everybody has understood the concept? One concept is percentage to number, second is number to percentage, third is golden rule. And golden rule we are applying here, percentage increase, decrease, change, error, everywhere. Any question, anyone? Understood? Let's do one question, okay? Shall I raise it here? Let's do with Gia now. Gia is a, what is Gia? Gia is a top professional, okay? Assume. Her salary is first increased by 20%. And then again increased by 30%. How much is overall percentage increase from original? Try this, guys. It's easy. Everybody try. So Gia's finally salary increase how much? 50%, 28, 30%, or something different. Try. Nishita has done it so fast. Yes, Nishita.
Plus 60%.
Is it 100 and oh no, I did something wrong.
Try again.
So if I do it step by step, then first I would do 20%, which would
Correct.
be
So what Gia
80%.
will do is wait, not 80%. So we'll say Gia's original salary is how much? $100,000. Okay. So after increase by 20%, how much will become? Increase, na?
Right. Mm-hmm.
So it become 120. Finally, 30% increase, right? What is 30% of 120?
36.
36. So how much salary become now?
156.
Correct, everybody? So now the salary becomes so new salary is this, original salary is this. How much percentage change?
56%.
56% increase, right, Bishita?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever. Method is same, right here. First you find out one, then you find the second. 56% increase. Kanak got it very good, Kanak. Kanak got it correct. The first one, Kanak, superb. He's very silent. She does it correct, but he never say, right, Kanak? Kanak has done it correct. The idea is first you find out first increase, then you find out. Now, if I change this question to this, how many will do it correct? Can you try? I just changed one word. Can you try, everybody, now? Let's see. Assume Gia's original salary was 100. Try, everybody, now. I just changed one word.
So if my salary is 100, then it decreased by 20, which would be 80.
Yes. Salary becomes 80. Now what will Jia do? Jia will fight with her manager, right? Yes. Mishita, want to say something? No. So Jia, what next? After 30% increase. But first we find out what is 30% of 80.
Mhm.
What is 30% of 80? What is 10% of 80, Jia?
8.
So 30% is 3 times of 8.
Mhm.
Correct or not? We learned this
Yes.
already, right? So now new
Yes.
salary will be what?
80 plus 24, which would be 104.
So finally, what is the net change? What was the original?
124%. No,
No. What is the original?
100.
100. What is the final?
4.
So net change is 4% increase.
Mhm.
See, just one word changes this, right?
Yes.
Now tell me, everybody, how much is confusion, how much is clear? You should know percentage always works like that. Base. So overall, she got 4% increase in her salary from the original. That's the logic. So very simple matter. Do not clear or not? When I'm
Clear.
Yes, sir.
before we close, how many of you are confident? Okay, I'll ask you one simple question, but very tricky. You try? Let's see. I know it's tricky. Only 1% people can solve it. Let's try. How much is square root of? You learned square root already, okay? How much is square root of 16%? Give me answer in percentage. Let's see who does it correct. 16% square root is how much percentage? Guys, believe me, 1% only can solve it, but it's very easy. How much percentage is square root of 16%? Try.
So 1/25.
You tell me percentage. Are you saying 1 by 25%? Vedant says this, okay. What is square root of 16%? It's a challenge question. If you apply our concept, you will say, yes, sir, easy. I'll tell you steps, but you try yourself. So we have Kanak's answer, we have Mishita's answer, we have Vedant's answer. Okay. And all of three have given same answer. Wow. So let's see. How will solve it? Mishita and Kanak and everyone is 16% with 16 by 100, right? Everybody agree? Chalo. Equal to. What is square root of 16? 4. What is square root of 100? 10. So 4 by 10 is there. If you want to convert 4 by 10 into percentage, what do you do? Tell me this. You know that. How you convert 4 by 10 into percentage? Yeah, 4 by 10 is not all. If you have to convert 4, answer in percentage I want. The answer is 4 by 10. How you convert into percentage? Multiply by 100. Here. You have to convert to percentage, multiply by 100. So guys, how many you expected the answer can be more than 16%? No one, right? But you are very close. A lot of us said answer is 4%. This is very close. It appears to be like that. So 16% or 4%. No. Mishita, technically, logically, method is correct or not? What is happening? Your computer is not allowing you. Okay.
I didn't hear what you said in the end.
I am saying logically, mathematical is correct or not?
Oh, yeah.
It appears to be 16%, so answer is to be lesser than that. No. What is square root? No. Any question? I leave you with this thought. This is one of the most challenging way of doing it, but very simple concept. Cool, nuance, Vedant, enough. So any question before we close? No? So that's all. We'll meet tomorrow. Enjoy. See you
Bye,
on
sir.
Sunday.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye. Thank
So,
you.
So,
Bye bye.